Hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. Congratulations for making till here. I know you are very excited to learn JMeter. In this video, we will learn about the introduction to JMeter. We will learn how to install and make it up and running, and also we will see the UI of the JMeter after we install and make it running. And trust me, it's very simple. You don't have to worry. I am there with you in your entire JMeter and performance testing journey. So without any wasting further time, let's start with the video and let's go. So first of all, what are the what are the requirements before you do performance testing, before you install JMeter? What is required? Java 8, very important. It's required 8 or 8 plus. I can tell you how to you can check your Java version as well. Don't worry, stick with me basically. Okay, so Java 8 plus you required, and obviously JMeter, and that we will be downloading from the official website. To do this, what do? We go to Google as usual. But before going to Google, before downloading JMeter, let us check what is our Java version in the system. So how do you check the Java version in your system? Just forget everything, open your terminal. If you are in a MacBook, you can open terminal. If you are in a Windows, you can open command prompt. Okay, and you just write java dash version. Okay, just write this command and hit enter. So as soon as you hit enter, what you will see, Java version 22.0.2. If you cannot see Java version, if the command says that the command not found, it means your Java is not correctly installed. You need to install Java first to run JMeter. Okay, so once you have Java installed, you check the Java version. Now you go to Google Chrome and now you type download JMeter for Mac or for Windows, whatever you are using. It's very simple. You don't need to worry even if you are using a Windows system. It's very simple. Click on the first link, download Apache JMeter, and as soon as you click on the first link, download Apache JMeter, you will land on this page. You can see the URL as well, jmeter.org, download JMeter CGI. Now here are the two files which you need, either depending on your choice, if you want TGZ or zip file. I will recommend you to download the zip file. I've already downloaded it, so I will not download again. You just click on it, it will get downloaded, and I will show you what is the next step after getting downloaded. So you see here, this is getting downloaded, this is downloaded. Now how do we run this? How do we run our JMeter? So to run JMeter, one second. Okay, so after I have downloaded JMeter, you can see this is in my downloads, Apache JMeter, and this is over here, bin docs. You will be able to see this type of file, bin docs, extras, lib, licenses, notice. Okay, everything has its own significance, but right now we need to only focus on bin part. If you have bin folder, you will be able to run JMeter, and trust me, you don't need to install it separately. Once you have downloaded it, you can just run it with your command prompt or with your terminal. You don't need to install it like an app or you do something like that. Don't do that. It's just a software, it's just a program which you need to run in your computer. That's it. Okay, so this is the bin. Inside bin you will be able to see this many files, right? Apache jmeter.jar and this files. If you are on Windows, directly you will see here Apache JMeter.bat file, JMeter.bat file, something like this. If you are in Windows, just double click this file and boom, your JMeter is open. Okay, but if you are on Mac, you have to first come here, like you have to open your terminal and you have to first come till bin. Okay, so how do you come till bin? First you have to cd, and since I have in my downloads, so I will go to downloads. So you can see now I am inside my downloads. Inside my download, where am I have to open JMeter. So cd Apache, if I click tab, see it will just give me Apache JMeter entire folder name, and I hit enter. So I am now inside Apache JMeter. Next I need to do cd. Under Apache JMeter, where do I need to go? I need to go in the bin. So you can also check ls. So you can see these folders are there in my Apache JMeter, bin, extras, licenses. Where do I need to go? I need to go to bin, cd bin. Okay, so now I am inside bin. So once you are inside bin, you have to run one command and boom, your JMeter is up and running. So what is that one command? This command is sh jmeter.sh. If you just run this command and hit enter, and you can see our Apache JMeter is opening, and it has opened. So if you are in Windows, you can just directly click on Apache JMeter.bat. If you are on Mac, you can follow this process to open your Apache JMeter, and now we are inside JMeter. So congratulations making it till here. We will understand the basic UI in this video. We will not cover the very in-depth nitty-gritties of what everything means. That is for the next video, and we will be going under each and every topic in detail. So first let's learn what is there in JMeter and how can it help us. Okay, so first of all, you will be seeing file, edit, search, run, options, tool and help button over here. So when you click on file, under file, what are important to you? The save button and save test plan as. These two buttons are important for you. What they will do, they will save your JMX file. So basically once you create your test plan in this entire JMeter, and now you have your file, now you don't want to create it again, you just save it, and you can share this file as well, so that you have a friend and you want that run this file, like run this code, so you can share that JMX file once you save it. Okay, so if some other friend has send it to you, you can open that file as well. So what points are important here? Save is important and open is important, and even new is important if you want to create a new test plan or a new script. Don't worry if it is very overwhelming. I will make it very clear slowly, bit by bit. Okay, so under this, new, open and save, this three is important for you. Next, what is important? You go to options and you go to log viewer. Can you see this log viewer? This is important because since you are running some code, you are running some API, if ever you get stuck and you don't know what to do next, what you are stuck, and how to debug, you have to use this log viewer. So under log viewer, you will be able to see all the error logs, if at all it is there. Then you just click it and something like this, a log viewer will be open and all the logs will be seen here. Okay, let me close it for now. I don't need it right now. We will be needing it further in the video later in the series. So I've shown you log, I've shown you file, and under run, this things is not important for now. I'll show you these options, what this option mean. This green button, this cute little green button, you can see this is a start button. So once you configure your test plan, once you do everything, you just hit on start button so that it starts doing the performance testing. This is important. The next is this clear button. So what clear does? So once you have done certain performance testing and once you have the report and you have taken down note of the report and now you don't need the report anymore and you want to run a new test. So first you have to clear the previous test and then start a new test. This is how you have to do. Okay. Next, this is after this, what's important to you? Save button. You can also save it from file or you can save it from here. That is not a big deal. Okay, play button, clear button, save button, these 3 points are important. Now the next important thing is test plan. So here comes the main thing. Now here you will start creating your test plan, you will start creating your test cases and everything. So once you right click on test plan, you will be able to see these buttons: add, paste, open, merge, copy code. For now, what's important to you is add. So once you understand add and once you understand these things, you will be playing with these things only in the entire JMeter for now, because here you will get 99% everything whatever you need for your testing purpose. You will get threads, you will get config elements, you will get listener, you will get timers, you will get preprocessor, you will get post-processor, assertion, test fragment, non-test element. It's entirely everything, trust me. Don't worry if all these terms are overwhelming. We will be exploring this term bit by bit once we deep dive into our test cases. Don't worry. Okay. So these are all the things. Next, you have to take care about this yellow sign, warning sign, or here you can see 0 by 0. So once you create a thread, so for example, you are testing for 10 threads or for 10 users. In previous video, we have discussed that you will be using 10 threads or 20 threads and you can use ramp up as well. So how many threads are active you can see here 0 by 0. Right now I have 0 thread and 0 threads are active. So once I create thread and once I click on play button, you will be able to see 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Slowly the threads are increasing based on your how you have configured, right? You can name your test plan whatever you want. You can add some comments. You can just run thread group. These buttons are not important for now. And you can add from clipboard if you want to, add some value or something. Right now we haven't created any test plan, but once we create it, we will be creating all this value. All right. So this was all for this video. I hope JMeter installation and UI is clear. If you have any doubt, you can come down to the comment section, and I highly recommend that you watch the next video, because in next video we will be exploring the test plan and how to create a new test plan, and how to move ahead with JMeter. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, you can consider subscribing or commenting whatever you like. Until then, goodbye, take care.